Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My channel is about handbag, SLG and jewelry reviews that I purchase regardless of brand or price, as I personally love items that are well made, good quality and value for money. If you love this video, perhaps you can consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button below and the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Today, as you can see here, I already unboxed this. The reason being is I have a video, true unboxing video, but unfortunately the sound is not so good and it is very noisy background because that time it's so hot that on my aircon, but it is very noisy. So I have no choice but to actually delete that video, do a new video again. So as you can see here, I have already unboxed this. I have already taken out this. So this is not a true unboxing, but let me show you what I have here. I did post in my Instagram that I have an unboxing video coming out. So I got this in this box which I already taken out. So now let me show you this. And let me share with you my thought process behind why I get this. Let me just put this box aside first. The small leather goods I got from Louis Vuitton recently. And let me open up and show you. Tight, the dust bag is just fit. Okay, this is under the men's line. This is the pocket organizer, and just let me quickly share with you the size of this. The width of this here, the width here is 1 cm. The height from here to here is 11 cm, and the depth is 8 cm. The depth here is 8 cm. So it is a wallet style, and this is the code. If you are interested, this is the product code M60502. So this is in the men's line, it's not in the ladies line. Let me share with you the reason I get this. I want some monogram SLG in my collection, and I'm not too sure whether LV is doing away with all the monograms or maybe some of it only, but as you are aware, they are doing away with all the canvas in toiletries 26, 15 and 19. So but I want something in monogram, and I do love monogram in small leather goods, not really in big handbags, apart from the pochette accessoire that I do have in monogram. They only have in monogram anyway for the pochette accessoire for so long now. In fact, they hardly can get it. But I want something small leather goods in monogram, and also I'm looking for a card holder for the monogram, which this is my very first SLG from LV. So I got this. I got a few other cards holders which I actually have ordered, but I returned it. Therefore, I do not want to put up a video on it because no point showing it in the video and I end up returning it and I don't know how to show it. So therefore, this is definitely a keep. So therefore, I'm filming this video and show it to you. So let me just briefly go into it. This is canvas. The whole thing is in canvas. Interior is leather lining, and this is made in France. It has 3 card slot here. You can see here 3 card slot. You can put your card here as well as here, and also maybe a small item here. I wouldn't say a card will block up this thing, but maybe receipt or whatsoever, a quick one on here as well. So basically this is 3 card slot, but if you want to put more card here as well, you can as well here, these 2 side here, and also here you still can put notes and all these things. You can still put. This is just a pocket organizer. It doesn't have any note place for note and all these things, but outside here you can also put your notes here if you want to, for easy access. Just for your notes, a quick one here. This is exterior. They have one exterior pocket here, as you can see here. This exterior pocket. They have a few varieties here from this pocket organizer. They have one here which is with leather, but I did ask the sales associate over the phone. I did ask the sales associate, then he recommended this one, which is much more durable than the one with the leather here. So therefore I got this one, but I told him that I want something in monogram, and therefore I got this. This is just my first impression. So I like this because it is very light, and also this is for my card. Just let's say I will just put my cards and some notes to just grab and go for my small bag. And let's say I'm not using any card holder. I'm just using this, so this is one of it. I do not need a big wallet nowadays because let's say I carry those small handbags. I need a very, very small wallet, so this is one of it. So therefore I saw this, and this is in monogram. I love monogram style, but in small leather goods, as I mentioned, not so much of monogram in those handbag. Update on my review, the wear and tear, say 6 months or 1 year down the line, say after I've used this. So but anyway, I will rotate it. I'm not just using this, I rotate some of card holder as well, with Sanref card holder that I have. I do not have many small leather goods. I do not need many, but then again, I do not just use one. So this is mainly for my small handbag. So do let me know if you have any question, and I hope you enjoy this small unboxing. Thank you for watching. I see you again. Bye.